We at HUW and Company often send applications for electronic signature to save time, reduce paper, and provide you with a secure transaction. I'm Nickel Lietzau with HUW, and let's walk through the steps on how to electronically sign an application for a White Pine insurance policy. First, check your inbox for an email from one of our staff members. If you can't find it, try searching for Right Signature, all one word. Open the email and click the green Review and Sign Document button. We pre-fill as much information as we can, but sometimes there's information that we need from you. If everything looks good, click on one of the two signature options right here. To sign, simply click your mouse and drag across the screen. Once you're happy with your signature, click Submit Signature, and you're done. If you're not on your computer, you can also sign on your phone using your finger. The signed application is locked, and a copy is automatically sent to you and sent to us. You can download the PDF right from the Right Signature website, or go back to your email inbox, and you'll find that a copy has been sent to you. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for your business.